This video here is gonna show you how to harden up your press-ons. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I am Desiree Nicole and I am back with another nail video because I have been loving doing my nails lately. And if you follow me on social media, which you should, Instagram, Mrs. Desiree Nicole, I'll leave it down here. I have become obsessed with like doing my own nails. It's very therapeutic and I just love it. But somehow along the way, I developed an allergy to gel products. So gels are no-go in my life now. I have been loving press-ons and I switch my nails up like every 2 weeks or so because my press-ons normally last like 2 weeks. If you want to know how to get your press-ons to last, watch my previous video. I'm gonna show you the best glues and all that type of stuff. Literally, they last 2 weeks through everything. I'm just saying. If any of you have been on Shein, you know Shein has all of the nail, like the prettiest press-on nails. And they have them for anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $1 a pack. So you already know I was on there ordering them all up. Duh. The only thing with Shein or any of these cheap press-on nails, you know, they're very, very, very flimsy. They break super easily, they bend, they do all this type of stuff. And I hear a lot of people, I read a lot of comments on my videos saying that the press-ons are weak, they don't last, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm trying to tell you today, this video here is gonna show you how to harden up your press-ons. What I do to make my press-ons look like salon quality. I'm telling you, chef's kiss, you'll thank me later. I know it. Keep on watching and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my cheapy press-ons, my 75-cent press-ons, look like I just paid and got them out of a salon or a spa or something like that. So we're gonna get right into the video. Goodbye. All right, you guys, so these are the nails that I'll be using today. And I got them from Shein for 75 cents. Yes, you heard that correctly, 75 cents, girl. So what I'm gonna do is start off by sizing up each finger. I'm also gonna take the file that came in the pack and just lightly file off the little tips. And then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I like to go ahead and buff the inside of the nail. It just helps it to better stick to your natural nail when it's time to glue. And for my nail builder today, I'll be using the ASP nail builder. You can use whatever clear nail builder you have, girl, okay? Whatever nail builder you have. I'm just using the ASP because it's the only clear nail builder that I had in my collection at the time. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by just putting on a thin coat and I'm gonna go ahead and let that cure underneath the light for like 60 seconds while I finish the rest. Now, the purpose of the nail builder is just to create an overlay on the nail, whether you use it on your natural nail or the press-ons like I'm doing here. It's just gonna create an overlay to help strengthen the nail and it's gonna harden it up. So once I'm finished with the first layer and all the nails are cured properly underneath the light, I'm gonna go in and do a second layer of nail builder just to give that extra strength because these nails are really, really thin and they bend super easily. I just wanna make sure they are super strong. Now this part is optional. I did go in afterwards with a top coat. The top coat is gel based, but I made sure that I cured it completely before I put them on my fingers. I really like this top coat. It came from Amazon. But yeah, now for the application. As you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, I like to go ahead and dehydrate my nail. Well, I buff it first. I buff my natural nail first, and then I go in with this dehydrator to clear out any oils or anything from my nail. And then this Kiss Pink gel glue is my all-time favorite nail glue to use. I don't know, y'all. This stuff is literally like super glue. Like, your nail ain't going nowhere if you use this pink gel glue, I'm telling you. And yeah, y'all, so y'all cannot tell me these don't look like I just left the salon. Please, like, hello? And as you can see here, you can see like the little, how much thicker the nail has gotten with the nail builder. Like, girl, these nails lasted 2.5 weeks. So yeah, y'all like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.